In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect phone to Redmi Watch 2 Lite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this specific model of Redmi smartwatch or any other one, you can follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to have it connected to any smartphone. Regardless of the smartphone that you have, you can follow these steps, get the watch set up, and customize all preferences, notification settings, import music, and so on. So to do this, you need to download the Mi Fitness application, also known as Xiaomi Wear. So open the Play Store or the App Store and download Mi Fitness. Inside of this app, you can view health data, but most importantly, you will be able to manage your devices, including of course your smartwatch. So after you download the app, you will be prompted to create a Xiaomi or simply a Mi account. After you have the account set up, you can press the side button on your Watch 2 Lite if you have never used it before to power it on, and then go through the setup process. You will be asked to choose the language of the device, choose your region, and then eventually you will get to this part where you will be given a QR code and the watch is going to notify you that you need to download the application. So if you have already downloaded the application like I mentioned before, you should be able to add the watch. So open the app, sign into your account, and use the device tab at the bottom to add a new device here. Choose add device, and on the list you should be able to see the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. By selecting this and having the watch itself in close proximity of your device, they should be able to detect each other. So you will be given a code, for example 12345, and all that you have to do is ensure that the same code is being displayed on the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. If it is, you can go ahead and tap OK to ensure that the connection is established. If this doesn't work, you can also use the scanner function and scan the QR code that is presented on the watch itself. As long as you choose either of these two options, either by proximity or QR code, you will be able to connect your Redmi Watch 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect phone to Redmi Watch 2 Lite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.